What is up, everyone? Coming back to you with another video about the entertainment in the Sawgrass Grove area. The Azelle Rec Center is coming along nicely, along with that area of McGrady's Pub. You'll get a sneak peek at the boxcar that's coming in, as well as a couple other things like the Southern Oaks Golf Course and the boxcar band stage, I guess you would call it, that they're putting in. The Packers did win tonight, so they are 8-2. So, you know, suck it to all those not Packer fans out there. I know it must stink watching the Packers actually have a good defense. I'm shocked myself, you know. Anyway, let's go and take a look at those areas, and hope you enjoy it. All right, we're going to take a look at the entertainment in the area of St. Catherine, Chitty Chatty, Bradford, Citrus Grove, those kind of areas, Case and Hammock. So we're taking a look right now. This is the Southern Oaks golf course. It is a championship golf course. 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s on the front 9 and the same on the back 9. You can see the grass kind of isn't filled in on certain areas, but there are people out there golfing. It is a beautiful course. You have water all over. It is not finished yet. Well, I mean, it's finished enough for you to play on it. But in terms of landscaping around and some of the foliage areas you can see aren't complete. It is a beautiful course. It's alongside the turnpike, which I will admit was a bit noisy on this day when I went out there. I did a video on it before where it wasn't noisy, but I think the traffic might have been light or whatnot. But today you can see the traffic is a bit heavier. It's around rush hour, plus it is colder, so we're getting a lot of seasonal residents down to the area now. All in all, I think it looks fantastic. Case and Hammock and Citrus Grove border it. You can see some of the houses in this area are not complete yet, but they are finishing up here, and they are starting work on St. John's as far as the walls and things like that, so you'll see St. John's probably next time. The other big obvious area in here is the Azelle Rec Center, which will be opening soon. Actually, I think it opened on the 12th. The Azelle Rec Center with live entertainment that they're going to have outside, as well as the indoor market, McGrady's Pub, and the boxcar stage, which they just put in place a couple days ago. We're going to get a close-up shot of it for you. There it is. That is the boxcar stage where all the live entertainment is going to be. Everybody will be packed into that little area there. And then that's right in the middle of McGrady's Pub and the indoor market, which is in this area, runs right alongside the golf cart path there. It is right smack dab in the middle of St. Catherine. This is straight across the street. Again, Southern Oaks Championship course. This is headed toward the turnpike. The Baxley Bridge is going to be in the middle of the front and back 9. That's actually what we're headed toward right now. Right on the other side of the turnpike from the Baxley Bridge is going to be the new medical center and more championship and executive golf courses. They're planning on putting a lot of golf over there from what I saw. I believe there's 3 courses going in south of the turnpike, just on the other side of this. But the views, especially right now with the sun setting or about to set, you know, at 4:30, because the time change is ridiculous and has been rough to go through. The views are amazing at this time of day out here. The whole Hawkins and St. Catherine area is beautiful. This is facing toward the west here. St. Catherine and Hawkins in your view. over to the right and to the top of the screen alongside the turnpike here. And then Citrus Grove here. Azelle Rec Center back there in the background. And then this is the Citrus Grove little rec center itself for the community rec center. Typical for what they always have. Nice pool. And then last but not least is the Homestead Rec Center. You can see pickleball, tennis courts here, shuffleboard, and bocce ball, along with putting here, practice putts, a little bigger pool. And then last but not least, I wanted to show you and take a sneak peek over at the Stargazing Pads that they have set out here, which I think is an interesting addition here for the villages. And you can see them right here. This is where the stargazing area is. They are watering the grass, getting it ready. I'm gonna just take a stab in the dark and say this will be ready early 2022, if not sooner. This is where you can come and watch all the cars on the turnpike drive by. You can come out here and watch all the stars in the sky, and you'll be able to hear, or you shouldn't hear too much with all the vegetation around it from the turnpike at that time at night. I will say from my house to I-75, which is about a mile, maybe less, you can hear it pretty good at night, so you'll probably hear some traffic in here at night. But you can't complain about the view. That view is amazing, and you're going to be able to check out the stars at night. I'm looking forward to that. I think that's going to be fantastic. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you hadn't. Give us a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.